Welcome to LeadWithEmpower.com. My name is Dan Jascott, President and General Manager of Empower Leadership, and I thank you for joining us on our mission to inspire and motivate 1 million individuals to become leaders. LeadWithEmpower.com is your one-stop shop for all things leadership and empowerment. Here you will find information about the Empower Leadership team and our mission, our team building and leadership development programs and services, our adventure park locations in Connecticut, Northern Virginia, and Greater Tampa, Florida, as well as digital leadership resources such as the Lead with Empower podcast, blog, and free monthly newsletter. Thank you again for visiting. Your empowerment is just a click away. I invite you to contact me directly at 877-532-3987 or at dan@leadwithempower.com should you have any questions. We are always happy to help.